Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips for seamless digital finance. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to transfer money from PayPal to Maya in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of online payments, this process has gotten even simpler, but we'll walk you through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're a freelancer receiving payments on PayPal or just managing your everyday expenses through Maya, this guide is perfect for you. First off, let's cover the basics. You'll need a verified PayPal account and a linked Maya account. Make sure both are set up and confirmed to ensure secure transactions. In 2025, PayPal has integrated better with local apps like Maya, especially in regions like the Philippines, but we'll stick to the reliable method. Step 1. Open your PayPal app on your smartphone or log in via the website. Navigate to your dashboard and select Wallet or Balance. Step 2. Choose the Transfer Funds option. Here, look for the section that allows withdrawals to your bank account. If you haven't linked a bank yet, do so now, it's quick and secure. Step 3. Once your funds are transferred to your bank account, open the Maya app. Go to the Add Money or Deposit section. Select the bank transfer option and choose your bank from the list. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your bank to Maya. Double-check for any fees. In 2025, expect minimal charges, around 1 to 2% depending on your bank. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to process, which usually takes 1 to 2 business days. A quick tip: always verify your accounts to avoid delays or security issues. Also, keep an eye on exchange rates if you're dealing with different currencies. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your money moved from PayPal to Maya in no time. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.